Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily create a bootable USB for this Linux distribution. Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily download Linux Mint distribution. To begin, just open your browser and type Linux Mint and hit enter. What you want to see the logo of Linux Mint and it's linuxmint.com. Scroll until you see download and click on it. You'll be redirected to this page. At this stage, you will have several options, or you will have three options: Cinnamon, XFCE, and you have also Mate Edition. What is the difference? Cinnamon is the most popular version of Linux Mint, and it's primarily developed for and by Linux Mint. It's slick, beautiful, and full of features. The XFCE edition is a lightweight desktop environment. It doesn't support as many features as the first edition. And finally, the Mate edition is a classic desktop environment. It is the continuation of GNOME 2, which was Linux Mint default desktop between 2006 and 2011. So you can choose which one you want. If you have an old laptop, I suggest to you to use this one, the XFCE, or if you have a modern one or new one, you can use the Cinnamon one. Just click download and wait for a few seconds or scroll down, locate the mirror or the country. If you cannot find your country, locate the one the closest to you. So here I'm in Czech Republic. Just click and the download should begin. You will need to wait a few seconds, up to a few minutes, and then the download will be complete. Once the download is completed, open your download folder and look for Linux Mint. You should have it somewhere. And once there, you have the ISO file ready to be used. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and we'll be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we're going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version. It goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. So to begin, let's open Rufus, open the download file, double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click yes. At this stage, we can close the download. Go to your PC shortcut and locate your storage device. And make sure that the storage device, if it's an SD card or a USB flash drive, make sure that it's empty. It does not contain any data, because any data contained there will be deleted during the process. Next step, locate in Rufus the storage device. Here I have this device which has 16 giga. That's what I'm going to select. Under boot selection, make sure you have the option disk or ISO image. Click select and wait for a few seconds for the selection option to appear. Locate your Linux Mint distribution and double click on it. The settings are automatically populated, so you want to leave them as they are by default. Once ready, click start and make sure you select Write in ISO image mode and click OK. Click Yes, OK again, and the process should start shortly. Here, the process is progressing. I will just pause the video here and I will come back once the process is over. It shouldn't take long. It should take between 2 minutes to maximum 8 to 9 minutes based on how fast is your computer and what is the speed of read and write of the storage device. So once the process is completed, you can go ahead and click close, open your PC shortcut and check your storage device. There should be the required files for, for Linux Mint. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.